Hello students, you all are enjoying many videos nowadays, correct? All the subject teachers are sharing their videos. Sonal teacher is teaching English, Rashmi teacher is teaching Marathi, then Sneha teacher is teaching maths and I am teaching you science. Okay. Till yesterday, we have finished our explanation of science lesson number 1. And yesterday, I told you how to read it. Correct? So now, today, let us continue the next part. Today, we are going to solve the question answers given in the textbook. So, let us solve those. See children, this is your Science Ahead book. Science Ahead book page number 5, you have question answers. Now see this upper part of the page number 5. Let us read. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. The pictures are there to help you. Number 1. Tall and strong plants are called dash. Now here picture number 1 is given to help you. Number 2. Plants that need a support to climb up are called dash. Number 2 picture is there. Number 3. The water lily and dash grow in water. Now here is number 3 picture. And now number 4. The dash can grow in hot places with very little water. Now there is again number 4 picture given. Now let us see what are the answers. See children. Number 1 is tall and strong plants are called trees. You can see the picture of a tree in that photo, correct? Number 2. Plants that need a support to climb up are called climbers. For number 2, there is a picture of climbers, correct? Number 3. The water lily and lotus grow in water. Number 3 picture is of lotus flower. And now number 4. The cactus can grow in hot places with very little water. Children, you can see this in the lesson also. Correct? So this was upper part of page number 5. Now let us go to the lower part and first read it. What is given? Say whether these plants are trees or climbers. We have to see the picture, observe the picture, and we have to recognize that, and we have to write whether it is a climber or a tree. Okay. Now let us go to the answers. Correct? Wow. See, these are the answers. Say whether these plants are trees or climbers. Number 1 picture, as you can see, there is a stick and the plant is growing with that support. So it is a climber. Same with number 3 plant. It is growing with the help of stick. So it is also a climber. But number 2 is not having any support like stick. It has a strong trunk. So it is a tree. Now below that, high order thinking skills. Rohini planted a mango tree and a pea plant. Which one will need a stick to be fixed near it? Why? Now see, this question you need not to write, children. This you can discuss with your parents. Now you have studied all the types. Mango tree is a tree. It has a strong trunk. and pea plant is a climber. So, pea plant will need a stick to be fixed near it. Why? Because it cannot stand on its own. Okay, so you are just going to discuss this answer with your parents. Now page number 6, upper part. Now see here. Plants are very useful to us. We get many things from them. Look at the things in your house. Make a list of the things that you get from plants. Remember to look in the refrigerator. Refrigerator means fridge. So, children, we have solved first 5 number page. That too you are not going to solve now. When you will get the textbook from the vendor, then only you will be able to solve those, correct? At that time you can see this video again and again and solve that. And this part also you can do at home. Okay, you have to write in senior KG old book. No need to buy new book. You are not going to write in standard 1 notebooks. You will be writing this activity in your old book and your parents are going to check it. You are not going to send me over anywhere. Okay. Now next. Visit a garden near your house. Observe the different kinds of plants that grow there. Now this activity also you cannot do now, children, because we are not able to go out of the house. Your parents are not going to send you, correct? So when are you going to do this? When our school will reopen, I will take you to the garden and we will do this activity. Or whenever your parents are going to take you down or out of the house, you are going to do this activity with them. But not now. Keep it in mind. Now second number, collect pictures of plants. Paste them in your scrapbook. Label them. Now this also you can do now. You can collect the pictures from newspapers, old magazines, old books, etc. Okay, and you can do this. And same, you are going to show it to your parents. You are going to paste these pictures in old senior KG notebook. Now let us go to the lower part of this page number 6, lower part. Now children, see here, numbers are given. Join the dots and color the picture. While joining, you need to start from number 1 and after that you have to join numbers serially. Okay, let us see what do you get. Okay, enjoy this activity. This you can do when you will get your textbook. And I have written H.W. H.W. means homework. So you have to do it at home and show it to your parents. Now next part, children, if you can see picture of one woman, lady, it is given. Her name is Salumarda Thimakka. Who is she? Now let us take information about her. Salumarda Thimakka has planted more than 300 banyan trees. She and her husband carried water over a long distance to water these plants. Wow, see, she has taken care of our Mother Earth, Mother Nature. She has planted many plants, trees which are very strong and live for so many years, and she watered those. So this work, the work done by her, was noticed by our government, and our government conferred her with Padma Shri. Okay, you will not understand this now, but if you talk to your parents, they will tell you about it. Okay, so she is the woman who can inspire us. We should take inspiration from her, and we all should grow plants and trees more and more, which will save our nature. Correct? Okay. Now that is all for today, children. You have to stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Thank you.